Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session we are going to discuss about INICET 2021 seat matrix. We have received already on the portal a tentative seat matrix, and I have done the analysis from my side, and I will show you the seat distribution branch wise and college wise, how many total seats are there. Before that, if you are new to the channel and you are preparing for NEET PG and INICET, you can subscribe the channel, because this is already a good platform for NEET PG and INICET, where I have uploaded the previous year cutoff for INICET as well as All India Quota deemed university, and plethora of informations are already there, and regular updates which is relevant for you for admission process, admit card, and other details that you need time to time gets updated on this channel. In the description you can find a telegram link and a few very important ebooks which you can download to have an idea about the previous year data in detail, and tuition fee, cutoff marks, and in very detail about open state. All the open states details are there in one ebook, and all the hospital related details, cutoff, stipend, bond, and everything for DNB is there in other ebook, and there is a ebook for deemed universities. And talking about the paid counseling, so right now we are giving discount of 20% on availing paid services. So it's a bright chance for you to avail the paid services from NEET Mentor, and once you avail the paid services, starting from the day you avail the service until you get admission in your preferred branch in your defined budget and all the preferences, we remain connected to you and we update about all the information which is relevant, and we guide you through the counseling process. We just need to follow our guidelines, and we share all the details how you need to do the choice filling, and how you can approach the counseling. With all the details it gets shared to you in the single link through PDFs, which you can easily see and discuss with us. The advantage of taking paid services is there is no risk of year wastage. If you are looking to get admission in this year only, we ensure that you get admission, and we will say before you take the paid counseling that we will guarantee that you get admission in preferred branch, and you can save a lot of amount in terms of tuition fee, and you end up getting the best pick out of the possibilities. So best college, getting a college through counseling process is not the ultimate result. Getting the best possible college combination, college and tuition fee combination is the best output. Okay, so let's get started and jump to the main topic of the video. So I have distributed the seats and how many total branches are there in particular AIMS. So if you look at AIMS New Delhi, it has got maximum number of seats, that is 202 seats are there totally for PG courses, MD, MS, and totally in 27 branches including clinical and non-clinical. AIMS Bhopal has got 34 seats in 16 different branches. AIMS Bhubaneswar has got 43 seats in 16 branches. AIMS Jodhpur 91 seats in 23 branches. AIMS Nagpur 32 seats in 16 branches. AIMS Patna got 62 seats in 19 branches. This number of seats may increase because they have said it's tentative seat matrix, and AIMS Raipur has got 54 seats. AIMS Rishikesh has just 6 seats. JIPMER Puducherry has got 119 seats in 24 different branches. NIMHANS Bangalore, only secretary branch is there, and totally including all the quota there are 19 seats. For PGIMER Chandigarh there are 115 seats and in 20 different branches. These are all top colleges in India related to medical education for PG courses. So you get a very good amount of stipend, and the cutoff I have already posted in the previous videos, so you can have a look at the channel NEET Mentor to find the cutoff for AIMS. For each AIMS I have created a separate video. Now look at the seat matrix branch wise. I haven't covered all the branches, but I covered most of the demanding clinical branches, up to 13 clinical branches. So anesthesiology has got 66 seats in all, means there are 66 seats which is available in anesthesiology branch, and you can get through INICET counseling process. Dermatology 20 seats, general medicine 48 seats. It covers only general medicine, not other medicine like emergency, family, and internal medicine, other branches. Obs Gynae 46 seats, pediatrics 51 seats, radio diagnosis 28 seats, orthopedics 22 seats, surgery, general surgery 57 seats, psychiatry 38 seats, ophthalmology got 53 seats, ENT 26 seats, pathology 30 seats, and radiotherapy 10 seats. So this is the seat distribution for the clinical branches where you would any of the branches you would have targeted. So you can have a look how many branches are there, and accordingly you can look at the cutoff also in the other videos, and you can plan. Okay, and this will give you an fair idea in advance so that you have the clarity in setting your target and assessing the current preparation based on the test you have been giving and how much marks you are able to score, and then you can have an assessment whether you have chance in INICET. In case you don't have chance, you feel that you have no bright chance in INICET, then you have chances in NEET PG, because there we have a lot more seats, above 50,000 seats, and there are multiple options like DNB, deemed universities, all India quota, government colleges, your state level counseling government colleges, private colleges, your state level, and as other open states, you have option for NB diploma that got launched this year, and that also has over 700 seats. You have CPS and FCPS option as well. So there are plenty of options apart from INICET. So in case you want to avail our paid services, you can avail it now, so that it helps you in all the future counseling related, admission related endeavors. So that's it from our side in this video, and all the best for your examinations. We will update you once we have the final seat matrix and other details. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.